Hello everybody, hope you're doing well and welcome to another tutorial. And today we're learning how to add payment method on your Google accounts. Firstly, open up your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Select payment and subscriptions, then tap on manage payment methods. Select add payment method. Here you can type your payment details such as your card number, expiration date, billing address and so on. Once you've done that, tap on save. And that is how you add payment method to your Google account. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And we will see you in the next tutorial.